Welcome back again, students. See, today we will start the question of exercise 9.1, 6 number question. So, here you can see what is given. A 1.5 meter tall, the height of this boy is 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So what is the height of the building? So height of the building is 30 meter. That is we have. Okay. So the angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the building increases 30 degree to 60 degree. See, this boy is watching the top of the building, so definitely eye will be here and angle of elevation is here 30 degree. Now this boy is actually here walking towards the building, means this boy is walking towards the building. So now the new position of this boy is here, and from this position this boy is watching the same point of the building and it is now 60 degree. Okay, the angle of elevation is here 60 degree. When it is 60 degree, when the boy is walking towards the building. Okay, so find out the distance towards the building that he walked. Means your question is find out the distance, this distance he walked towards the building. So see, it was his initial position, now he walked here to here. So your question is what is the distance he covered or he walked. Okay, so as per the figure what we have now, according to this figure actually we have two triangles. One is A, B, C, D. Okay, and right here E, F, G. So tell me what is the height of this point to this point, means AB. So height of this AD is actually here. Only this height I am going to measuring here. See, if total height is 30, so the boy's height is here 1.5. So the height of this part here to here will be 30 minus 1.5, that is 28.5. Okay, done. Okay, so how to solve this math? Consider the total length BD, or total length is here EG. So let EG equals to X and EF equals to Y, means this distance is Y and here to here total distance is X. Okay, so our target is to find out the value of this Y. Very simple. How to do? See, first we will do what? We will write AD by CD equals to tan 60 degree. Implies that 28.5 by, what is the value of CD? The value of CD means FG. So write here FG. CD and FG are equals to root 3. Done. Implies that 28.5 by root 3 equals to FG, and you know that the value of FG is here what? FG equals to what you can write? EG minus EF equals to Y minus X. We can write total length Y, sorry, total length here X, and this part is Y. So X minus Y. So in place of FG we can write X minus Y. Okay, leave this math up to this. So we can write here 28.5 equals to by root 3 equals to X minus Y. Leave this. Now do the next part, means from triangle ABD. So what we can write from triangle ABD? What we have now? From ABD, tan 30 degree equals to what? AD by BD. So write AD by BD. So here what the value of tan 30 degree? What is the value? 1 by root 3. Okay. And value of AD what? Value of AD is 28.3. 28.5. Okay. And value of BD is here the total length. BD means EG. You can write BD equals to EG. So now 1 by root 3 equals to what? 28.5 divided by the total length is here X. Write it. So what is the meaning of this one? It means X equals to 28.5 root 3. 28.5 root 3. So now from here and here, from these two equations, what we can write? So 28.5 by root 3. So 28.5 by root 3 equals to 28.5 root 3 minus Y. The value of X is what? 28.5 root 3. Just I am replacing this. Now simplify. Y equals to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. So if you calculate, LCM will be root 3 and here will be 3 into 28.5. Root 3 into root 3, 3 into 28.5 minus 28.5. So if you calculate or take common 28.5 within bracket 3 minus 1 by root 3 equals to 2 into 28.5 by root 3. So the value of this is 57 by root 3 equals to 3 into 19 by root 3. After simplification, it will be 19 root 3. So what was your question? Find the value or find the distance that he walked from B to point C. So definitely the value of B to C is what? E to F, and E to F means here Y. So y equals to what we can write now? Y equals to 19 root 3 meter. So it is your actually answer. This distance that have to walk. Okay. So now we will see the next math.